You guys ready for another vlog? I'm ready for another vlog. Today I actually have a couple things to do. I have to go out with the kids. We have to get outfits for our harvest party. I have to clean my house. I have to make sure that school's done. I have to wash my hair at some point. It's a hot mess. It's gross. Last night I literally got it done by the grace of God. Like, it was so bad. I also have to clean my house. So we need to find the kids some outfits. I need to find something to make the house smell good. And I know I said that last time, but I didn't find anything, so I gotta do that. What else do I have to do? I don't know, but let's get into it. It's oiled and we're doing good. I don't know who Agnes is on the phone with, but she's giving them all her information. She's very limited to who she can call, so it has to be someone that is allowed on her little smartwatch, but nobody wants to know your business, girl. Okay, before we do get started, I had to pop this in the freezer because I have not restocked my fridge. It's cold. If you know, you know. Actually, this flavor is not that good. I kind of did not like the blooms as much as I like Alani, so, but they're not bad. They're just not as carbonated. And I gotta have that carbonation. I'm gonna stop talking here. I'm gonna put you guys down. But we can do a little cleaning together right fast. My house isn't terrible. It's just not where I want it to be. And that's, I can't do that. Now, I am starting to feel like, let's chat real quick. I'm starting to feel like I need to rush. And that is something that the Lord has been like he's been working on me with, is the rushing. I don't know why. I don't know if it's from having 3 small kids close in age. Like, you just have to be everywhere like 30 minutes early or else you're 2 hours late. I don't know if that's it or whatever, but like, I constantly feel this. I have to rush. I have to go. I have to get this done. I have to where it literally makes my whole day sour, because then I feel like I'm not on time. Don't get me wrong, I'm pretty disciplined, but like, I don't believe that God created me to kind of, I don't know how to word it, like, be so hard on myself. Like, I'm human. I'm not him. I can't do stuff perfectly. I'm not gonna, like, he's always on time. I'm not on time. You know what I mean? Like, the Bible even says, like, a fool runs when nobody's chasing him. And that's what I feel like. I'm constantly running. And then if I don't have my whatever, whether it be cleaning, school, leaving the house done, whenever in my mind I decided I needed to be done, then like, I literally start to like spiral. And then my kids are wondering like, Mommy, what's wrong? Seth would be like, are you okay? And that's not okay. Like, I am so blessed to be able to stay at home with my kids. Like, we literally, anything that I want to do, I can do, and I have the time to do it. And if it doesn't get done in a day's time, like, it is what it is. Like, so anyway, I'm starting to feel that little rush. I thought maybe I'm doing too much caffeine, and because caffeine will get you going. That's what it's supposed to do. But even when I stopped drinking caffeine for a hot minute, I still felt that push to just rush, and it's so wicked, and I hate that about myself. Like, okay, maybe not hate, but yeah, it just robs me from good moments and good times, because I got it made up in my head that I have to go. So anyway, I'm gonna pray real quick. I'm gonna take it to the Lord and tell him, hey, help me chill for a second. And yeah, and then I'll get to my stuff. But it's annoying. But prayer's never a waste of time. So if you haven't prayed today, go pray. You're doing some rosemary oil in your hair. You cannot be bald-headed. Do you guys want a bald dad?
No.
See? Love you.
Love you.
I just text Winter and I told her, get ready, I'm coming for you, because she needs to be... Hello. She needs to be walking. Also, we need to buy hoodies. It is a whole 62 degrees. The house... Yes, subscribe and let him know in the comments. The house is 63 degrees. It is cold. It's the perfect weather, honestly. Like I said before, we get into like the negatives over here. We don't get snow, but we get ice. So we get like into the negatives here, but it's officially time for them to be wearing sweaters and stuff. But nobody can really wear what they wore last year because they grow so much. So we're gonna go try to find them some sweaters and whatever. So I might go to Goodwill. I don't know. Goodwill, it's just a hit and miss for me. Like, sometimes you find really good stuff, but that's the fun of it, is like not knowing what you're gonna... Anyway, let's go get Winter. Oh, my bad. Good morning.
Good morning.
Or good afternoon. We got a crab. Look at these cute shoes. That's not bad.
Too limited.
Sandalwood? Love me some sandalwood.
That's juicy sea salt.
Yeah, that ain't lemon.
That smells like soap.
That one's juicy.
That is soap.
Try this.
You don't like that?
Why does that smell like the beach rings? Let me see that.
See, this is what I'm telling Seth. I'm not finding.
Mom, doesn't this kind of smell like peach rings?
It does. It smells just like peach rings. Cranberry.
Yeah.
Daddy.
No.
I'm gonna smell this.
Australian sandalwood.
This smells good.
I think this Nana got you this. It's a candle. This one smells delicious.
You like that? I didn't like that one.
That smells good. This is how my house will smell.
Yeah, that does smell like yours. It's very piney. This one actually does smell like us, but I don't like the bottle of it. I think it's so ugly.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
It smells like our house, but I don't like it. It's ugly. Ross was a bust. I did find Agnes some cute little, they look like Ugg dupes. And they're pink and they're girly. And then I found Seth some little slides that he's been wanting. But we did not find what we were going for. So unfortunately now, well, not unfortunately, I just didn't want to go. We're going to Goodwill. Yet another bust. You guys are just gonna have to freeze this winter. Here we go. Yet another bust. You would think that camo would be absolutely everywhere, but it's not. Oh, that smells good.
Look, it has a crystal on top. I want to take the crystal. Give me the crystal.
Ugh. Smell that.
I actually kind of like that.
Oh, really?
Wait.
Look at that. That's so cute.
Oh, you got the...
Okay, so I didn't find any candles that I liked, but I did buy this little set. Now I have to go find a diffuser. Where am I gonna find a diffuser? Ooh, we need some air. Where am I gonna find this?
Walmart.
Right? They should have one. Even if it's just the most basic one. I got rid of all mine. Well, they all broke, kind of. Like, they stopped blowing air. So I was kind of like... That store was too packed. Like, you couldn't even walk in there. Okay. This is California Beach House. Oh my gosh, that's fire. That smells like a nail salon. Oh Try that one. This is vanilla sandalwood, which is mine and Seth's favorite smells. Oh, that's
This
good.
does smell good. After.
It smells like a nail salon,
Yeah.
doesn't it? That one smells fire. Eucalyptus mint, which is not my favorite, but it could be a bathroom.
This smells good.
Yeah, that one does smell good. Dang, they really don't want you to take this. This was my least favorite. But so far, 2 out of 4.
What are those?
They're oils for the house. And this is Tahitian vanilla, and that's one of my
This smells
favorite.
good.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Dang it.
This gives nail salon vibes like when you get an acrylic.
Yes, that smell. I love that smell. Okay, and this is Tahitian vanilla. Oh my god, that's Tahitian vanilla. That's fire. You're not gonna like this one, I'm just gonna warn you. Okay, well, I have to find a diffuser. No? I didn't think you would. Okay, but 3 out of 4. Well, they're all good. It's just that one is my least favorite.
When I come over, do the eucalyptus mint.
Okay. Oh!
That one was.
So I came to Walmart to see if they had a diffuser. They don't. I wonder which route I'll go this year. Will I do black again? Will I do this? That's kind of cute, actually. Yet another bust. I literally checked online because I'm kind of just done with today. I'm done being out. The stores are like crowded with people, and then my kids don't know how to act in a store. So it's just been a stressful kind of day. I literally checked online, made sure, and it said that they had them in stock. And I go in there, and guess what? They don't have any. I am irritated. I gotta go home, put up my groceries, but I just remembered that I don't have any diet. Dude, you're finna get your stuff. Anyway, senseless people are out today, and it's just, I'm done. But I need a Diet Coke, so I guess I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get myself one. I did not get my Coke. There ended up being traffic because they're doing some construction work, and I just wanted to get home. You go. Love you. You guys ready for a haul? Okay, so these for chocolate chip cookies, these for rice. This is like, I didn't know which one to get, whole cranberries or cranberry sauce and jalapenos, and we're about to do a little, I don't even know, but stay tuned. I'll probably make a short out of this. I love mochi, but Seth loves pumpkin spice and he likes mochi too, so I got this for him. Also, have you guys ever had those, what are they called? Vitamin? No, what are they called? Hold on. Karma. That's what they're called. Anyway, Aldi has their own little version. It's like $1.49 or something like that. This is Seth's favorite prime. We got some avocados for avocado toast, which got some sourdough, some tortilla chips, some celery, some baby carrots, some tomatoes, some of these. I got these for the kids to try. I got the chocolate chip and the brownie. Avery likes brownies, and the other two like chocolate chips. Some apples. We'll see if these get 8 or not. Chocolate milk vinegar, because I've been needing some. These are fire. And then Avery said he wanted these. I also found this, and I cannot wait to try this. I might be making this tomorrow. And then this, because Agnes mentioned chili, and that actually sounds really good. So, yep. Oh, those are fun.
It's about the other ones too, guys. Oh yeah, we could look at these. See?
Yeah, I told you. So I've been trying to get the kids hooked on these tile blocks, and they're officially at the age where they like them. But they're just like those magnetic little tiles that just stick together. Anyway, all of a sudden they love them now, which I'm happy about because they're easy to load, and then they actually stick back behind the pews at the church. So not pews, the chairs. So anyway, they can sit. Go pee. Anyway, they can go on the chairs and it keeps them occupied and happy. So I can get this off of you. Hold on, guys. My fridge needs the deepest cleaning, but that's a tomorrow problem. We're gonna go try to find a diffuser yet again. I got my good luck charm. And I found some.
Who's your good luck charm?
This guy right here.
If you told me, if you